Exploring different lenses, defining perspective and creative writing. Hello there, writers and word enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of creative writing: perspective. It's a tool that allows us to give depth, complexity, and dynamism to our stories. It shapes how events unfold and how characters perceive those events. Understanding and mastering it can dramatically enhance your writing skills. So, let's get started. Perspective, in creative writing, is essentially the lens through which a story is told. It determines who is telling the story and how they are telling it. In literature, we typically talk about first-person, second-person, and third-person perspectives. First-person perspective uses I or we. The story is relayed directly from the viewpoint of a character within the story. Second-person perspective uses you. It speaks directly to the reader, making them a character in the story. Third-person perspective uses he, she, it, or they. The story is told by an external narrator who may know everything about all characters, omniscient, or may only know about one character, limited. Perspective is fundamental to a story because it shapes the reader's experience. The choice of perspective can impact the way a reader feels about characters, interprets events, and engages with the narrative. Think about your favorite book or movie. How would it change if it was told from a different perspective? Harry Potter's adventures would feel very different if they were narrated by Hermione Granger or even by Voldemort, wouldn't they? Perspective can shift the entire meaning and emotional resonance of a story. Writing from different perspectives is a brilliant way to improve your writing skills and to understand your characters better. A great exercise is to take a scene from a story you are working on and rewrite it from a different perspective. If it's already in the first person, try writing it in third person. If it's in third person, try the first or even second person. You could also experiment with writing from the perspective of different characters. How does the story change when seen through the eyes of the antagonist or a minor character? Remember, every character is the protagonist of their own story. And that's it. We've reached the end of our journey through perspective in creative writing. We've defined what perspective is, explained why it matters, and looked at ways to practice it. It's your turn now. Go out there and experiment with perspective. Change your narrative lens and see how your stories shift and evolve. Remember, writing is an exploration, and perspective is one of your most powerful tools. Happy writing and see you in the next video.